And now we are going towards the award ceremony. So all these nice startups that we saw today, all these, let's say, perfect pitches that we had the pleasure to listen, it would be great to know now who is the winner. And I would like to invite again our CLC director in Vienna, Hannes Hanczowski, to share with us the prizes that the winners will receive. And we are quite excited, actually, to learn the names of the 6 winners, 3 in category Create and 3 in category Accelerate. So Hannes, welcome.
Thank you very much, Jasmina. We are at the exciting point now that we are all waiting for, the culmination of our BoostUp competition now to the award ceremony. For that, I'm going to invite Theresa Neuhauser, our communications manager here at CLC East, to join me.
Hello.
As we have to give away several, I think, very good prizes. It's not just a pat on the back and a good boy. We have several prizes, and the top 3 winners of both categories will receive a 4 months dedicated support service of our EIT Manufacturing Business Creation team for coaching, mentoring, and IP management support. Our finalists also will receive the following cash prizes. Number 1, 10,000 euros, number 2, 7,000 euros, and number 3, 5,000 euros. In addition to that, the first place winner of the Create competition will receive from LMS, that's the Laboratory for Manufacturing Systems and Automation in Patras, as a strong BoostUp RIS supporter, generously agreed to provide support with tech expertise and mentoring related to either a proof of concept or a product development. So those are the awards at stake. And now joining me for the award ceremony for the first category, which is Accelerate, those were the 11 pitches yesterday, is the CEO of EIT Manufacturing. Klaus, we had 11 amazing teams yesterday compete in the acceleration category, coming from 6 different countries. And what were your impressions, Klaus? And definitely, what were the results that the jury came up with?
Yeah, to be honest, Johannes and all the audience, I was very impressed by the caliber of the teams that showcased in these 2 days as well by their innovation solutions. So very well done. My congratulations to all the teams, not only the winners. I think all the teams have done really a very good job. So BoostUp RIS has really demonstrated that the talents to address manufacturing challenges in Europe is spread equally across all European countries, and especially the RIS countries. We have seen several very promising teams coming from a very diverse set of innovation ecosystems, some more and some less developed, but all are working on unique solutions. And my hope is that events like this one will really boost the efforts of these teams to continue their work on the pan-European and even on the global scale. But before announcing the winners, I would like to take the opportunity to say a big thank you to our jury members that were with us since the beginning of this competition. So Elisabeth Schrey from B2B Partners, Greta Monstavice from Callista Ventures, Linda Krondahl from Stings, Stockholm, Maria Cristina Odasso from Lyft, Johan Hipfel from Heibeck, and last but not least, Inaki Aradibel from EI teams. A big thank you for all the effort, and I hope you enjoyed the pitching session and also the evaluation of the teams like I did over the last 2 days. So a big thank you to the jury, and now for the winners, for the Accelerate category. And it's a pleasure for me to announce to you the winner of the third place is Fortun SL from Spain. And I would like to invite Marta Valles, the co-founder, to be with us.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Congratulations from Vienna.
Thank you very much to all the BoostUp team. I'm very happy to receive this award. We had the opportunity to be part of this acceleration program, and we are really happy because we had the opportunity to prepare a good pitch in 3 minutes that is going to help us to do it with the investors, because we are going to the round A this year. So it's going to help us a lot. And also we are happy to be part of the EIT manufacturing program. So thank you very much.
Congratulations, Marta. One question I have, you know, for the colleagues in future generations of startup, accelerate startup competitors, how would you describe your experience going through this Boost RIS-UP competition?
It's been really a good experience, because it's been the organization has been perfect. Everything really European organized in time, and emails, meetings, and everything. So I think that it's necessary for startups as us, no? That we are in the initial stages of our growth. So I think that we had a really good impression, no? And so thank you.
Very good to hear. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you very much, Marta, and once again, congratulations. Now I'm going to give back to Klaus for the second winner.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Johannes. And yeah, let's start immediately. So the second place goes to UV Catalyst from Estonia. And I would like to invite Gary, yeah, here he is, to be with us. Congratulations, Gary, for the second prize in the Accelerate category.
Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot for EIT Manufacturing, and also thank you a lot for being able to join this fabulous pitching competition, and it was really great yesterday. So thank you a lot.
Thank you very much, Gary. What our candidates are always asking is, you know, how do you prepare for an impressive pitch like yours? Yeah.
For example, we have been preparing this pitching many times in before as well. But yeah, yesterday, for example, what my recommendation is that even if you are doing it online, you have to stand. And we had also a green screen behind, and so use all the devices, professional camera, everything like that. So and learn your pitch, definitely.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gary, and congratulations again to you and your team.
Thank you.
Getting back to Klaus for the winner.
Yeah, it's really a pleasure for me to announce now the winner for the Accelerate category of the BoostUp RIS competition. And the first place goes to Neuron SV from Czech Republic. And I would like to ask Pavel to be at the screen. Here we are. Congratulations, Pavel, for the winning our BoostUp RIS award.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's I'll be honored, yeah, so that we could participate and also get awarded.
Great pitch. Thank you so much, Pavel. I have one question here. What are your expectations, your personal expectations, the expectations of your team working with EIT Manufacturing for the next few months?
Yeah, I think we are in kind of like a critical phase of our growth of our startup. So we got technology, which we are advancing every day, every week. And now we want to get it to our customers, get it to the partners. And there's a whole new like a skill set we need to acquire here. So any advice and help will be really well appreciated.
We are definitely here within our entire business creation team to support you in each and every direction you might want to take our support, okay? So congratulations again, Pavel. Take your team out tonight. You guys did great. Super to have you on.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And also thank you to our CEO, Klaus Betz, CEO of EIT Manufacturing, to do this award ceremony with us. Thank you, Klaus. And we're going to switch over now to the award ceremony for the Create competition, which I invite Christian Bölling, our CLC director from CLC Central in Darmstadt. Hi, Christian.
Hey, hi, Hannes. So now you should be able to see me. A warm welcome from Darmstadt to Vienna. I'm very pleased to be here.
Thank you. We see you well, we hear you well. We had 5 great Create pitches from several teams this morning, representing 4 different countries. What did you think, Christian? And do we have the results from our jury yet?
Yeah, first of all, I totally agree with Klaus and was very impressed by the wide range of innovative solutions we have seen in Create as well as in Accelerate. And what even impressed me more in the Create category was the quality of the presentations. We don't need to forget that all of those teams just have started. And from what I've seen, I'm quite sure that they have a great potential, and I'm really looking forward to that, to see their development. So that's one comment from my side regarding the quality of the pitches and regarding the quality of the solutions. And coming to your second question, yes, we do have winners, and shall we go on with that?
Absolutely. I mean, they are already biting their nails and wanted to see who has won this competition. Yes, please go ahead, Christian.
I can imagine that, and it's really a pleasure to be here and to be able to announce the BoostUp RIS Create winners in 2021. And we will also start again with the 3rd place. And that company is aiming to develop mass-delivered products. And yeah, congratulations to Enforce from Greece. And I'm asking Evangelos Drainas to join us on the stage.
Hello.
Hello, Evangelos. Congratulations from my side to the 3rd place.
Thank you very much. It's an honor for us to win this prize.
Congratulations from Vienna. You guys did well. Congratulations to the 3rd prize. Question is, what's the next for your team? What do you see coming up as the next thing?
So we are working full steam to finalize our MVP. So this will give us more confidence and solid metrics about our value proposition. Hopefully we incorporate after summer, and with the help of the business creation team, we want to refine our value proposition and get ready for our first investment.
Excellent. We're going to keep our fingers crossed for you. And, the business creation team is here to support you and your team.
Thank you very much.
Steps. Thank you very much.
So I would like to congratulate you for this great organization. It's great that nerdy engineers like us can be heard and present their ideas.
Thank you very much. It's a great platform. Spread the word. So we have more applicants next year, even more applicants next year. We had a lot of applicants already this year. And give everybody a chance to come to our BoostUp competition in 2021 and pitch their ideas. Thank you very much, Evangelos. I'm giving back to Christian, to Darmstadt, for the 2nd place winner.
Yeah, thank you, Hannes. So we have seen the 3rd place winner, and moving forward now to the 2nd prize winner. And they are dealing with AI and deep learning in the context of lesser quality control. I'm happy to announce Autotech from Italy and welcome Michele Moretti on the stage. Congratulations, Michele.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much. We're so honored to receive this prize, and we can't wait to get to work with your business creation team.
Congratulations
again.
from Vienna. Michele, here's a question for you. What is next for you and your team, and when will the solution be actually launched?
As I said before, we still have like about 6 months to go in order to finalize the solution. So the next half of the year is going to be passed hard at work, and we can't wait to launch the product and release it to the market because we're very excited about the possibilities. And thank you for helping us making that dream come true.
Thank you so much, and we are looking forward working with you. Our business creation team is eager to support you on your next steps. Thank you so much, and congratulations again. Giving back to Christian in Darmstadt to announce the first place winner in our category creation.
Yeah, thank you, Hannes. And the first place winner, I'm really proud to be able to announce it, since as I'm a production engineer as well, they are dealing exactly with an area, a thematic area I worked for several years with. And what they want to achieve is a sustainable CNC machining by applying cryogenic cooling. And really congratulations to Arc Loop 1 from Slovenia, and congratulations to Damir Grugash for the Create winner.
Oh, thank you very much. Just to start my video. Yeah, we are really happy. Thank you for this opportunity and to be part of BoostUp competition. It was a really nice journey, and we are looking forward to continue this journey further.
So our producer slipped you in for the third place. You're okay with the first one now, right? Aren't you?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay for us. We agree on that, yeah.
Very good. Congratulations. Now, you are in the innovation activities in EIT Manufacturing. So what's the next for your team with EIT Manufacturing in business creation? What do you see?
Yeah, first of all, thank you once again. We are really have good connections with the EIT overall, and good experience. We started this innovation team and so on, and we're really looking forward to continue that. For sure, we'll need help regarding the IP transfer, starting the company, discussing with the uni about the transferring, helping to find the customers, maybe to use EIT connections for the customers. And I think this will be a good journey ahead of us. Thank you.
Yeah, market expansion, you can't find a better customer in manufacturing in Europe than EIT Manufacturing, because we are everywhere. So we're gonna support you as good as we can. Wish you and your team all the luck, and we are looking forward to see you grow and prosper. Thank you so much, and congratulations again.
Thank you. Bye.
So I say thank you to Christian Bölling, our CLC director from Darmstadt, and Klaus Beetz, our CEO of EIT Manufacturing, for being with us here today for the award ceremony. Thank you so much for doing these, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your support that made it possible for these 3 manufacturing days to happen. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.
Thank you as well. Bye-bye.
And that's a thank you to Theresa Neuhauser, our communications manager here at the CLC East. Thank you very much. It was a hard work with those big checks. Thank you. So we had 2 days of BoostUp competition event with keynotes from Romana Jordan, our member of the EIT governing board, from Doris Agneta, the advisory board of EIT Manufacturing Business Creation, and Thomas Fellner, the partnership with Gian Mario Constantinos in running the BoostUp RIS competition. Thanks to all the 5 business creation manager and the panelists, the BoostUp 2020 startups and investors and experts, 16 pitches, 6 jury members, and truly 4 months of hard work for the 6 winners. Thank you for joining us for the BoostUp competition. This ends the award ceremony.